send you hope and encouragement from wherever you're really watching me from. In all things, give thanks. And through the thanksgiving, the Lord will make himself manifest in your life. What is happening to you right now may not make sense. You've waited on the Lord so long that you are trusting him to deliver, but you are not really seeing any sign. You are really returning your tithe faithfully. You are really giving to God all that is expected in faith, but you don't really see anything. I just want to encourage your faith. Don't give up. Give thanks, for this is the will of God concerning your life. And I just want you to know that he would really make a way for you. I love this verse scripture so well. He says, after you've suffered a little while, I will establish you and make you perfect. So what you are really going through is just for a little while, according to the scripture. It's just for a little while, and the Lord will establish you. So my message for you today, be anxious for nothing, but in everything by prayer and supplication, with thanksgiving, let your request be made known to God. I bless you today with this message. Remain grateful, remain thankful, because joy is really coming in the morning. My name is Antwi-Kusi, and I came your way to remind you why you're still breathing. God bless you.